Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Pisces. So we have the Three of Swords, the King of Cups, the Page of Swords, the Two of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, the Page of Cups, the Hermit, the Knight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Two of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and draw. Okay. So Pisces, you are dealing with a heartache at present or in the recent past. A really, I should say, a really agonizing situation. It may be have been a love triangle, but it has really uh, taken a toll on you. It's really heartbreaking. And what I feel here is with the King of Cups and the Page of Swords, I think in spite of suffering from this heartache deep within, you are still trying to balance your emotions. You are still trying to uh, control your emotions deep within or stabilize yourself emotionally. And with the Page of Swords, what I feel is this is something new. You have a clarity. Okay, now after this is what you're supposed to do, and you have a clarity and a step forward towards this Two of Cups, towards a connection over here. It can be a new connection here with the Two of Cups. Maybe you're meeting someone new, or you know this person. It may be that you know this person, but definitely you are gaining control of your emotions, at least on the exterior. You are not showing your this heartbreak to the person who has caused it, at least. And with the Two of Cups, this is definitely, I think, clarity to move towards a different relationship or a new relationship over here. And then we have the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that though you have the clarity, you have understood that I have to move towards a new connection, and maybe you do have that person in your mind, and you are working hard to make this happen. But the thing is, with the Eight of Swords, something is there which is stopping you, or still stopping you to move ahead as you would like to. There is some baggage with the Eight of Swords. There is, and because of this, you really have to make an effort, and you are making an effort to come out of it. And because of this past baggage or this past experience, this is the work you really have to put in hard to come out of that uh, negativity, to manifest this new connection. That's what I feel. This new relationship which you are now ready to move towards. And yes, that is immediately we have the Page of Cups. So what I feel is you are making an effort to manifest a new beginning with the new person, and you are trying to come out of this whatever is holding you back. Okay, so you are definitely trying to come out of this negativity. You are moving towards or offering this love to someone new. Who is this Two of Cups for you? Who is this person for you who is a new person? That's what I feel. And then we have the Hermit and the Knight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. Then we have the Two of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles and the Emperor. See, one more thing which I feel is with the Emperor being there and the King of Cups being there, maybe the heartache which has been brought to you is because of the person in such a situation or in such a status, being the King and the Emperor. This person is very, very, maybe this is the energy of the person who is very, very emotionally controlled, and they have that domination and that one way decision type, giving type of a capacity. Maybe this is the person who has really caused this heartbreak for you, because this person is in a position to. Maybe this person is dominating the relationship or has a dominating behavior or whatever it is. Okay, this is a decision which has been given. That's what I feel. Because here we have the Five of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. So what I feel is with the Knight of Wands being there, this is the energy of a person who has caused you the heartbreak. With the Knight of Wands and the Five of Wands, this person, though was passionate for you, but then this person was one foot in and one foot out always, and which caused the conflict in the situation. Maybe actually some sort of an argument or fight has happened, because of which this heartbreak is there. Okay, and with the Queen of Pentacles over here, what I feel, this is you. This is you who is just like feeling as to what to do, feeling nostalgic and trying to regain your stability. That's what I feel. And with the Hermit card and the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands, what I feel is, though you are trying to working hard to come out of this negative space, moving towards a new connection, and you are being very, very intuitive in this, but yes, you are even trying to work on your self-worth and your own stability, because you have been dealing with this Knight of Wands and the Five of Wands energy, which is conflict, which is fight, which is a person who is in and out of your life, which was maybe it is actually a fight, or it was a conflicting situation as to which way are you supposed to go, what are you supposed to do, where you stand in this relationship. And then we have the Ten of Wands. So Ten of Wands is you are unburdening yourself from this situation. Already this person has caused a lot of heartache, and you are understanding that you need to move out of it towards somebody new. If you really want a relationship, you can't have it with this person. And then we have the Two of Swords, which is after the Ten of Wands. So definitely you are unburdening yourself, trying to take a decision over here. With the Queen of Pentacles, as I said, you are just trying to establish that self-worth and looking for stability for yourself as to what should I do and how should I move about in future. And the decision which you are taking is you are trying to balance and sort out your life. And we have the Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles and the Emperor. So what I feel is you are moving towards a new person now. As I said, you've been left out in the cold and ignored, and with the Emperor here, maybe this is the second person. Maybe this is somebody else whom you are moving towards, or it may be the energy of the person with the Five of Pentacles being here, of the person who has caused you the heartbreak, or who has caused you this feeling of being ignored and rejected, and you are really, really very upset about it. So I feel this is the energy of the person, and this is the unburdening that you are trying to unburden yourself, trying to make a decision of stabilizing yourself and moving in a new direction. And as I see this card of the Five of Pentacles, and since we are just ending with January and moving towards February, so what I feel is this is the energy of whatever has happened in January. Okay, and I'm saying this because if you go back to the playlist and see the annual forecast of 2021, the yearly readings of 2021, this was the first card of that reading, of the Pisces reading. If you want, you can go and check out, maybe there's an information out there, because this was, I clearly remember the first card from, and it was a setback for me also, as to like it wasn't a very good start for a new year, and it was the first card of January. Okay, so maybe you have something for the something for you over there, and just to see as to how year unfolds and February and March follow through. So let's see what's the guidance from this. What is the message from this deck for Pisces? Oof, the Tower. So whatever this was, it was unexpected. This was an unexpected heartbreak, and that is why this energy came up as you left out in the court, because you weren't expecting this. We're totally not expecting it. It's an unexpected decision has come up unexpectedly. Somebody, I think this is the energy of this person, the Emperor, as I said. This person has unexpectedly made a decision or done something with the Five of Wands being there, which has landed you up in this Eight of Swords energy, and in this, you've become a prisoner of your thoughts. You're thinking too much, and you really are hesitant in moving ahead now. In not only this connection, but in any other connection also. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Four of Action. Your hard work and sincere efforts lead you to a sense of safety, contentment, and financial security. You deserve to take a break and enjoy a magnificent life you've created. It's time to celebrate a wonderful event such as engagement, wedding, buying a new home, or a birth of a child. So, what I feel is this is talking about you need to take a break, focus on whatever new is coming in your life rather than going back to what has already caused you a lot of heartache. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.